Welcome to my channel Tech Reviews, where inspiration meets innovation. Whether you're here to learn, explore, or connect, you're in the right place. Are you looking for the best cookware sets of 2026? Here are my full reviews of the best cookware sets of 2026. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Thank you. Number 1. Upgrade your kitchen with the CAROTE 16-piece nonstick pots and pans set, designed for everyday cooking with style, durability, and convenience. This complete cookware collection includes essential frying pans, saucepans, casseroles, and lids, giving you the flexibility to prepare everything from quick breakfasts to family dinners. The premium Granite nonstick coating ensures effortless food release, requires less oil, and makes cleanup fast and simple. Built with a sturdy, high-conductivity base, each pot and pan distributes heat evenly and works perfectly on induction, gas, electric, and ceramic stovetops. The large-capacity design is ideal for batch cooking, entertaining guests, or preparing meals for busy households. Ergonomic, heat-resistant handles provide a comfortable and secure grip, while the elegant beige finish adds a modern touch to any kitchen decor. Durable, scratch-resistant, and PFAS-Free, this CAROTE cookware set delivers reliable performance and healthier cooking every day. Whether you're a beginner or a home chef, it offers practical functionality, long-lasting quality, and timeless design for confident cooking. Enjoy effortless meal preparation and elevate your daily cooking experience with dependable performance you can trust for years ahead. Number 2. Upgrade your kitchen with the SENSARTE nonstick ceramic cookware set, a 13-piece collection designed for healthy, effortless cooking. Crafted with a premium ceramic nonstick coating, this set allows you to prepare delicious meals using less oil while ensuring easy food release and quick cleanup. The non-toxic construction is free from PFOA, PFAS, lead, and cadmium, giving you peace of mind every time you cook for your family. Each pot and pan features durable, even heating bases that work beautifully on most stovetops, delivering consistent performance from breakfast to dinner. Stackable ergonomic handles provide a safe, comfortable grip, while the included silicone cooking tools help protect the non-stick surface and extend the life of your cookware. Perfect for everyday home chefs or thoughtful gifting, the SENSARTE 13-piece set combines modern style, reliable durability, and health-focused design in one complete kitchen solution. Enjoy smoother cooking, faster cleaning, and meals you can feel good about serving. Its elegant finish complements any kitchen decor, making it a practical and stylish addition to daily cooking routines for years to come, with reliable performance you can trust. Number 3. Upgrade your kitchen with the T-Fal Ultimate Hard Anodized Nonstick Cookware Set, a complete 17-piece collection designed for everyday cooking convenience and long-lasting performance. Crafted from durable hard anodized aluminum, each pot and pan delivers fast, even heat distribution to help you achieve perfect results with less effort. The superior non-stick interior resists scratches and allows food to slide off easily, reducing the need for excess oil and making cleanup quick and simple. This versatile set includes fry pans, saucepans, a Saute-Pan, and a Griddle, giving you the right tool for everything from quick breakfasts to family-sized dinners. Comfortable, riveted handles provide a secure grip, while vented glass lids let you monitor cooking without losing heat or moisture. Dishwasher-safe construction adds extra convenience for busy kitchens. Whether you are preparing daily meals or special occasions, the T-Fal Ultimate Cookware Set combines reliability, efficiency, and sleek black style to enhance any modern kitchen. It is an ideal choice for beginners and experienced home cooks seeking dependable performance every single day, helping you create flavorful meals with confidence and ease at home. Number 4. Upgrade your kitchen with the GreenLife Soft Grip 16-piece cookware set, designed for healthy, effortless cooking every day. Crafted with a PFAS-free ceramic nonstick coating, this non-toxic collection lets you prepare delicious meals using less oil while ensuring easy food release and quick cleanup. The set includes essential pots, frying pans, saucepans, and a versatile sauté pan, all paired with durable glass lids that lock in heat and flavor while allowing you to monitor cooking at a glance. Stay Cool soft grip handles provide comfort and control, making long cooking sessions safer and more enjoyable. The wobble-free bases deliver reliable stability on most stovetops, promoting even heat distribution for consistent results. Lightweight yet sturdy, each piece is built for everyday convenience without sacrificing performance or style. Perfect for busy families, new homeowners, or anyone seeking a healthier cookware option, the GreenLife 16-piece set combines modern design, dependable durability, and eco-conscious materials to transform your daily cooking experience into something simple, safe, and satisfying. It also makes a thoughtful gift for weddings, housewarmings, or kitchen upgrades alike, bringing confidence and convenience. Number 5. Upgrade your cooking experience with the Astercook Nonstick RV Pots and Pans Ceramic Kitchen Cookware Set, a versatile 21-piece collection designed for modern kitchens and life on the road. Featuring a premium ceramic nonstick coating, each piece ensures effortless food release, healthier cooking with less oil, and quick, easy cleanup. The innovative detachable handle allows seamless transition from stovetop to oven, refrigerator, or dining table while saving valuable storage space through its smart stackable design. Built to perform on induction, gas, and electric cooktops, this durable black cookware set delivers even heat distribution for consistent results every time. Oven-safe construction expands your recipe possibilities, making it perfect for everyday meals, camping trips, or RV living. Crafted for convenience, safety, and style, Astercook combines functionality with sleek aesthetics to complement any kitchen decor. Whether you are a beginner or a passionate home chef, this all-in-one cookware solution brings reliability, organization, and professional-level performance to your culinary routine. Enjoy space-saving storage, worry-free durability, and exceptional value in one beautifully engineered cookware set made to simplify daily cooking and inspire creativity always.